Hello guys, I am Haripriya. Welcome to my channel UK Every Corner. I am on a journey to explore each and every city across the United Kingdom, from the seaside towns to the buzzing city centers. And today our journey begins right here in the beautiful city of the Canterbury. Welcome to Canterbury, one of the most historic and enchanting cities in the UK. Located in the heart of Kent, Canterbury is best known for its stunning cathedral, charming cobbled streets, and a story that dates back over 2000 years. Our first stop in Canterbury is the city's most iconic landmark, the magnificent Canterbury Cathedral. One of the oldest and most important Christian structures in England. This UNESCO World Heritage Site has stood for over 1400 years. It's not just a building, it's a symbol of history, architecture, and spiritual legacy. As you step inside, the sheer size, stained glass windows, and detailed stonework take your breath away. Every corner of the cathedral has a story, and walking through it feels like walking through time. Whether you are here for faith, history, or beauty, the cathedral is a must see. Our second stop is the beautiful and peaceful Westgate Gardens, one of the Canterbury's oldest and most loved green spaces. Located right next to the historic Westgate Towers. This riverside garden is perfect for a relaxing walk after exploring the cathedral. With blooming flowers, ancient trees, and the gentle flow of the river Stour, it's like stepping into a painting.
I've come to the end of myself. My hands in the air, Jesus, I've got nothing left. And I wanna keep singing, but I'm feeling the weight. I'm seeing the cycles of all the hate. Open up those heavenly gates, those heavenly gates. We cry.
You can stroll along the riverside path, sit by the water, or even take a traditional punting tour and see Canterbury from a whole new angle. Whether you're looking for a quiet moment or a perfect photo spot, Westgate Gardens offers a peaceful escape in the heart of the city.
You stand in their pain, you're shoulder to shoulder with all who are finding their way in every season, through every song. You hear the cries of the broken. God, won't you come and open up those heavenly gates, those heavenly gates. We cry, justice, freedom, come. Open up those heavenly gates. Yeah, those heavenly.
Our third stop takes us back in time to the old weaver's house built around AD 1500. This beautiful timber-framed building is one of the Canterbury's most photographed landmarks, and it's easy to see why. Whether you admire it from the bridge or enjoy a riverside meal in the restaurants inside, the old weaver's house is a perfect blend of the historic and charm. Next, I took a walk through the historic streets of Canterbury, and every turn feels like a story waiting to be told. From narrow cobbled lanes to wide pedestrian walkways, these streets are lined with timber-framed buildings, boutique shops, cozy cafes, and colorful storefronts that capture the charm of old England. You'll find everything here, from the high street brands to unique local finds. And the mix of medieval architecture with modern life gives this city such a special atmosphere. Whether you're shopping, people watching, or just enjoying the walk, the streets of Canterbury are a destination in themselves. While exploring the streets of Canterbury, I stepped into something fresh, literally. Welcome to Lush Fresh Handmade Cosmetics, a store that smells amazing the moment you walk in. Everything here is handmade, cruelty-free, and packed with natural ingredients. From colorful bath bombs and soaps to skincare and body care. The staff were super friendly and helpful, and the whole place feels like a candy shop for self-care lovers. It was a fun little stop that added a burst of color and scent to my walk through the city. My next stop was the fascinating Canterbury Roman Museum, a hidden gem that takes you deep into the city's ancient roots. The museum is built around the remains of a Roman townhouse, complete with original mosaics and underfloor heating systems from nearly 2000 years ago. It's incredible to walk through history like this. If you are a history lover or just curious about what life was like in Roman Britain, this museum gives you a rare and immersive glimpse into the past. Next, I stepped into Castle Fine Art, a contemporary gallery right in the heart of Canterbury. This space features stunning original works and limited edition prints from both world renowned and emerging artists. From bold pop art to soulful figurative pieces, every corner of the gallery feels inspiring and beautifully curated. The atmosphere is calm and welcoming, and the staff are happy to share the stories behind the art. It's a great stop if you love creativity or even if you're just looking for a moment of quiet beauty in the middle of the city. And for my final stop in Canterbury, I visited St. Martin's Church, the oldest church in continuous use in the English speaking world. It's peaceful, simple, and full of spiritual history. You can really feel the quiet strength of this place standing here for over 1400 years. It was the perfect way to end a day filled with stories, from Roman mosaics and cathedral towers to riverside gardens and modern art galleries. Canterbury truly is a city where ancient history and modern life comes together in the most beautiful way. Whether you are here for culture, the charm, or just a walk through the time, this city has something special for everyone. Thank you so much for watching my Canterbury travel vlog. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel UK Every Corner for more weekly travel stories from across the UK. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, UK Every Corner. See you in the next episode.